Learn how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Breaking into the affiliate marketing business can be a fairly daunting task if you do not have guidance. There is a huge array of affiliate companies, all with varying products, rules, and commission structures. With a little guidance from these tips, however, you can formulate a strategy that will limit risk while maximizing revenue. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. When you join up for an affiliate program, you need to make sure that the service uses cookie tracking. This way, customers who are referred by you, but do not purchase their first time on the site, will still be your customers if they do happen to purchase a product. The service will recognize that they were initially brought to the site through your efforts. No business endeavor is completely free of risk, but there are certainly ways to minimize that risk. The tips above provide a solid foundation that will help you to create and maintain a healthy affiliate marketing business. Once you bite the bullet and start making money, you'll be glad that you watched this video. Student loan.